The Russian Defense Ministry has issued a statement about yesterday's air raid on Kiev, Ukraine's capital. The statement said that a factory in the city that produces space rockets was targeted. New information has been shared about the points targeted by the Russian army, which launched 2 missiles into Kiev, the capital of Ukraine, yesterday. A statement was made by the Russian Defense Ministry regarding the attacks carried out during the visit to Kiev by UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres. The ministry said it was aimed at the factory in Kiev that produced space rockets belonging to a defense industrial company. The statement also noted that a Calbr-type cruise missiles and military facilities in Ukraine were shot from a submarine stationed in the Black Sea. The attacks were the first airstrike from submarines in the Black Sea, it was reported. Officials from Ukraine said that an apartment was targeted and 10 people were injured in the attack launched by Russia in Kiev weeks later. China says NATO military alliance has outlived Cold War origins. Ukrainian Greek Catholic leader details Church's war response. Ukraine. IAEA's Grossi to meet Russian officials to discuss occupied Zaporizhzhia power plant freight line help essential items rapidly reach people in need in Ukraine. See you next the video.